Welcome, it's Ensign Doodle, and today we're at Meijer Christmas. This is our local Meijer, and I think Meijer does a pretty good Christmas display.
We really enjoyed Meijer's Halloween, and Christmas was a great follow-up. They have everything you need for your whole home to get it all decked out, all the decor you'd want to make the season festive. So we hope you can shop along with us and let us know in the comments if you see anything that you really liked. Be sure to stick around because we'll tell you some of our favorites as we go through the aisles. Yeah,
Duff is a real bird?
no, it's just because it's Simpson. Yeah, I don't know that I want Cheez-It boxers. Anybody else remember when you used to get boxes when you made purchases for your gifts? We used to hand them out where I worked.
Me personally, this is probably my favorite section because they have a bunch of stocking stuffers that I can get for my cousins and anybody else that I want to get them for in my family.
Coming down this aisle was probably one of my favorite things that Meijer has. They have these little animated plushes that play your favorite songs, but be careful, they go kind of crazy. I had to save Snoopy at the last second. It's pretty neat to give the elf something to do.
Yeah, I should play it. Yeah, you should.
Oh, okay. Bring it to me and show me. What? Elfie needs PJs.
Remember we made a makeshift one of this?
We
We hope you enjoyed,
anything.
and
He
if
went
you
in the
did,
container
please consider
himself.
liking and subscribing. Have a great day, and we hope you enjoyed.